Welcome to the newest version of the Commonwealth of Virginia Learning Center, or COVLC. The COVLC is the Commonwealth of Virginia Learning Management System, or LMS. This video will provide you with a brief overview of how to log in and will provide a brief tour of the COVLC. This tour will include how to update your user information, how to locate your transcript, how to search for a course, and how to register for a course both classroom and online. This version can operate using the following browsers: Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Let's get started. We will first look at logging in. If you are a Commonwealth of Virginia employee or a member of a local government agency who is a member of the Learning Center, select Login. In the fields provided, place your login ID and password. Your login ID for the COVLC will remain the same as it is in the current system. Upon your initial login, you'll be asked to change your password. Your password must be 14 characters long and include both uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and a special character. Note, if you have forgotten your username and password, there is a link located under the Login button for Forgot Your Login ID or Password. By clicking Forgot Your Login ID, the system will ask you for your last name and email address. Your login ID will be sent via the email recorded in your user account. If you have forgotten your password, simply click on Forgot Password link. The system will request your login ID. The system will send you a temporary password to the email recorded in your user account. If you are new to state employment, in order for you to receive your account information, click on Forgot Login ID first. Then, once you receive your login ID, select Forgot Password. The system will send you a temporary password. If the system does not send your information within a reasonable time, please contact your agency's administrator for assistance. Now, let's log in. Once logged in, you'll be placed in your training homepage. A brief tour. Each domain layout may be slightly different, however, you will always start on the training homepage. You should be able to see what domain you're in by the graphic in the upper left corner of your screen. If you are not seeing your domain, or are seeing the incorrect domain, please contact your agency's domain administrator. Across the top will be domain name, followed by the Home button, Current Training, Transcript, a Search the Catalog box, followed by the Help icon and the user's initials or profile photo. If you click on or hover over the initials/photo, you will notice a drop-down that lists Account, Messages, Calendar, Requests, Orders, Reports, and Logout. In this overview, we'll only look at Account. When you click on Account, you will see several editable areas. In the Account tab, under Login, you will be able to edit your login ID, your password, and your security questions. You are also able to see what domains and roles you have been assigned to in the system. On the Profile tab, you have the ability to manage your user information and work information. For state users, this information is populated via the information that is inputted into Cardinal by your agency Human Resources Department. Changes to this information will be reverted to what is in Cardinal when the Cardinal feed runs. One area that is new to this version of the COVLC is the ability to add your preferred first name. This field is not affected by Cardinal. This field is helpful for users who go by a name that is not their first name. For example, if your name is Harold Jones but you go by Skip, you can enter Skip in this box. While domain administrators will not be able to search for you as Skip, they can see that Harold Jones goes by Skip, confirming they have their correct account. The Preferences tab allows you to customize your experience in the COVLC. This includes accessibility settings and how many records show up per page when you search. It also allows for you to set the communication preferences. Be sure the Send Messages to My email address as shown in my profile setting is toggled to Yes. Let's go back to the training homepage. In this view, you can view upcoming learning, announcements as they pertain to the specific domain, required training assignments, and maybe FAQs or recommended training. Clicking Current Training will take you to a list of training that you've started but not yet completed. Transcript will show you all training taken, curriculums, external learning, required training, and certifications. New in this system is the ability to search for specific training that you have completed. You also have the ability to filter the training by type, status, and dates. Next, we will search for training in the catalog. You can use the Search Catalog box at the top of the screen to search for training in the catalog. Searches can be conducted with the course title, keywords, or tags. Search results can be filtered by category, content type, course provider, content tags, credit type, cost, and rating. Once you have found your course, click on the title of the course to bring up the course description and enrollment page. To enroll in a classroom course, click the Enroll button next to the section that you would like to attend. To enroll in an online course, enter the Enroll button at the top of the course page. Once you enter the COVLC, please take some time to explore and see what training is available to you. In order to exit the COVLC, hover over the drop-down next to your initials/image and click the Logout button. That's all for this overview. If you have any questions or issues accessing the COVLC, please contact your agency's COVLC administrator.